They never told you this. Music hits hard, immediate. Your father worked hard his whole life and died with nothing. You are working just as hard. Are you going to die the same way? Machiavelli figured out why this keeps happening 500 years ago. One book, 10 rules. They tried to ban it. Rule 7 is the one they feared the most. I will get to it. But first, you need to understand Rule 1, because without it, Rule 7 will not make sense. Here's what nobody tells you at school. 2 different games are happening in the world right now. Game 1, the one you know. Work hard, pay your bills, retire eventually, hope for the best. Game 2, the one you were never shown. Build systems, control resources, let money work instead of you. Repeat until free. Machiavelli spent his entire life studying the people playing Game 2. He wrote down exactly what they did. And the people playing Game 1 tried to have him arrested for it. This is what he found. Rule 1. And it is the one that changes how you see everything. You do not have a boss. You have a buyer. And what they are buying is your life. 1 hour at a time, Machiavelli said. The man who sells his time owns nothing. Because the moment he stops selling, everything stops with him. Think about this carefully. If you called in sick for 6 months, would money still come in? If no, you are not an employee. You are a product being rented. The shift begins the moment you stop renting yourself out and start building something that earns without you. Even small, even imperfect, even tonight. There is a performance happening every day on your street, maybe on your phone, maybe in your own home. People spending money do not have to impress people. They do not like to feel something that disappears by morning. Machiavelli studied rulers who lasted and rulers who collapsed. The ones who collapsed almost always shared one trait: they needed to look powerful more than they needed to be powerful. Every time you spend to impress, you are voting against your freedom. Every post, every upgrade, every look that I have is a bill sent to your future self. The richest people you will never meet live quietly. No performance, no audience, just leverage, growing in silence. I want you to picture something. You're standing in a field. You could walk in any direction at all. Now imagine a chain on your ankle, attached to a car payment, another chain, credit card, another buy now, pay later, another a subscription you forgot about. Now try to walk freely. Machiavelli said, the man who owes can never truly choose, because every choice he makes is filtered through what he can afford to lose. That is not freedom. That is a very comfortable cage. The cage was designed to feel like a reward. One number changes everything. Not your salary. Not your investment portfolio. Not your net worth. 3 months. 3 months of your basic expenses, sitting untouched in a separate account. That is the number that transforms your psychology. Because right now, most people make decisions from fear. They stay in the wrong job, because what if something worse comes? They stay silent when they should speak, because they cannot afford to lose income. Machiavelli said, a man with no reserves is a man with no choices. A man with no choices will always be controlled by whoever has more. 3 months of expenses is not savings. It is a weapon. Build it first. Ask a poor person what they want to buy. They describe something you can see. A car, a watch, a holiday, something that signals to others, I made it. Ask a wealthy person what they buy. They describe something invisible. Time, options, ownership, access. Machiavelli identified this centuries ago. He called it the difference between those who seek applause and those who seek leverage. An index fund is boring. A rental property is boring. Second income stream is boring. But boring is just another word for working when you are not watching. While you were performing wealth, they were purchasing it. Quietly, invisibly, repeatedly. That is the game. Here is a question most people never ask themselves honestly. What am I actually afraid of? Not the surface answer. Not I am afraid of losing money. The real one. Most people are afraid of being wrong in public. Afraid of trying something and having people watch them fail. Afraid of looking stupid in front of people whose opinions they were never sure mattered. So they do nothing. And doing nothing feels safe until you realize that inflation is doing something to your money every single day. That time is doing something to your options every single year. Machiavelli had no patience for this, he said. The man who fears small losses guarantees the biggest one. You have 5 people closest to you. Right now, without knowing it, they are shaping your financial ceiling. Not because they are bad people, because the environment has gravity. Whatever the people around you believe is normal becomes what you believe is possible. If your 5 closest people believe working until 65 is just life, you will believe it too. If they believe debt is normal, you will carry it without question. If they believe investing is for rich people, you will never start. Machiavelli was ruthless on this point. He said, "Show me a man's circle, and I will show you his limit." You do not need to leave anyone, but you must add one person who has already built what you want. One. That is enough to start. This is the part that nobody wants to hear, because it is not exciting. It is not viral. It will not get you likes. Real wealth is built slowly, deliberately, invisibly, for years. The compound curve does not reward the smartest person. It does not reward the most talented person. It rewards the most consistent person. The one who kept going in year 3 when nothing looked different. In year 5, when their friends stopped asking about their progress. In year 7, when they almost gave up. And then year 8 happened, and the line bent upward. And suddenly, everything changed at once. Machiavelli said, "Fortune rewards those who prepare in silence and strike when others are still waiting for permission. Start now, stay invisible, let time do what it does." Final rule. It is the most expensive one most people never solve. Almost every financial mistake has the same root cause. It was not stupidity. It was not bad luck. It was the need for someone else to see you winning. The car you bought because of what your colleague would think. The apartment that was too big because of what your family would say. Clothes, the phone, the holiday, all of it filtered through what an audience of people you barely know would think of you. Machiavelli's most dangerous prince was not the strongest. It was the one who needed nothing from anyone. No approval, no validation, no applause. When you reach that point, you stop making decisions based on how they look and start making them based on where they lead. That is the moment everything changes. Right now, 2 types of people are finishing this video. The first group, they felt something shift. They nodded. They thought, this makes sense. Tomorrow, they will return to the exact same patterns. Not because they are weak. Because knowing is not the same as deciding. Second group, smaller, quieter, they are already thinking about the one thing they will do differently today, not 10 things. 1. That one thing compounded over time will build a life that the first group will look at in 10 years and call lucky. It is not luck. It never was, Machiavelli said. Most men see what is. Few men see what could be. Fewer still act on it. Decide which group you are in, then act accordingly.